Hi friends, I'm Subhash from 3S LifeSafe Academy, a NABOSH course provider, a NABOSH learning partner 147N. Hello friends, how are you? Okay, I'm just going to share you very good news for all of you, the learners who are planning to do the NABOSH course. Since March 2020, we are unable to administrate any examination of NABOSH. This COVID now, NABOSH has introduced a new program as an open book examinations. Okay, wherever you could be. Okay, you are at home or maybe at in India or any country you could be. Okay, so you can write your NABOSH examination wherever you are from as an open book examinations. Okay, see, I'm going to show you now. This is the guideline. You can see on the bottom, NABOSH open book examination learning guidelines. Okay, if you want to have these guidelines, you can get these guidelines from the learning partners. You can approach to your learning partners, as well as you can write to the NABOSH OBE at the rate of nabosh.org.uk. You can also get the information from the directly from the NABOSH as well. So friends, I'm going to give you the some of the guidelines which is given in this booklet. Friends, now welcome to NABOSH Open Book Examination Guide for the learners. So, as you know, because this open book examination has been launched because of the due to COVID pandemic. Okay, so as because NABOSH is committed to support their learners to complete their qualification while staying safe at home. So, this is a good opportunity as a good for everyone being at safe at home. We can complete the NABOSH qualification very successfully. We'll see now what are the guidelines has been advised. First, we should understand what is the open book examination. So on the open book examination, it tests ability of the learners to extract and apply relevant knowledge and organize it to address the question asked during the examinations. It is a equivalent or same to a invigilated paper based examination, and it tests the same in spite of having access of the textbook, digital resources of other references. So during the open book examination, in spite of the learners will be having the access of referring the textbook and other necessary notes, it has the same value as it has been done previously during the invigilated papers based examinations. Okay, now we'll see next question, which are the qualification will be covered under the open book examination of the NABOSH. For the open book examination of the NABOSH, so currently it is applicable to the unit 1 of the national and international qualification, that is the NG1 IG1 of the new syllabus which was introduced in 2019, and NGC1 IGC1 IGC2 as the old syllabus 2014. Okay, no changes in the assessment process of the practical risk assessment, that is the NG2 IG2 and NGC3 IGC3. That means this is the open book examination is only applicable for the unit 1, either it is a national or international qualification of the NABOSH, international general certificate in occupational health and safety, or national general certificate in occupational health and safety. So it is applicable for only for unit 1 of the IGC, and there is no change in the process of practical assessment, that is an IG2 or IGC3 risk assessment. So now next question could be understand this way: what will be the format of the open book examination assessment? Means what is the format is going to be given to the learners during the open book examinations. So learner will be given actual and realistic scenarios of an organization to outline the various situations. See, that means learners may ask what roles, task, action learners will take being considered as a safety officer. So learner will be asked what he is going to play the role, and he is going to take the actions as a considering that you are working in the organization as a safety manager. Learner should be given relevant answer with the respect to the given scenarios. So based on the realistic scenarios, the learner has to write the answers for the respective questions. So in this format, the learner has to be more knowledgeable, and he should have the ability to understand the realistic question scenarios, and he could answer well. Otherwise he cannot have the any privilege to copy paste any answer, because the concept will be given in the book but the real scenario answer will be not given in the book, and therefore you have to answer by applying your own mind for the given scenarios during the open book examination. Okay, now next, how much time shall be given to complete the open book examination? So this is a good question. So learner shall be given 24 hours to search and complete their answer during the open book examination. Oh my god, 24 hours. We'll see now what it is 24 hours. Okay, actually it will test your ability to interpret the scenarios before answering the set of the question. Learner can be at home to complete the examination. So total you will be allotted as a 24 hours of time, and you have to manage all your answer. You have to give the answer well, and within the 24 hours you have to submit the questions in the given timeline. Question of the learner could be, will the learners will be working for 24 hours throughout during the open book examinations? No, it is not that way. Learners will be given 24 hours. That is correct, but does not mean that he has to work complete 24 hours regularly. During the given time scale, learner can plan, review, and arrange the resources and apply knowledge to answer the question. So that is how. Can learner access books and notes during the open book examination of the NABOSH? Yes, during the open book examination, learners are permitted to access books, tutors notes, classroom notes, web as a supplementary support. Although given time is 24 hours to submit, you will surprise, the learner will surprise how quickly time went off. You will not realize this 24 hours went off from my hand. So we should be very effective when we're writing the workbook. We should be very effective, very prompt, proper way we need to answer the question. We need to understand the scenarios, everything. Okay. Next, how can I write the open book examination? The learner has the option to complete the answer in the two ways, that he can type the answers on the computers or on his own handwriting. So these are two options. There shall be word counts limit will be given to answer for the respective question. There will be word counts limits will be given, and learners have the tolerance of doing a plus minus of 10% to maintain the word limit. Okay, exceeding more than words limit shall not be considered for the marking. That means, suppose one question having the 250 words as a limitation. So if you are writing as a 500 words, it does not mean that whole answer will be considered for the marking. So maximum, so 250 plus minus, if you take it as a 10% means another 25 words. So that means maximum 275 words will be considered for your marking. Remaining words will be not considered for the marking. Although you might have written correct, that does not matter. The maximum words counts limit should not exceed plus or minus 10% of the given words limits. Okay. Therefore, we should be careful that we should be maintaining the quality rather than more quantity of the words. That is very important to you. Now, can the learner consult someone? Here, no, not at all. As open book examination is a live, they are not permitted for communicate with course provider, learning partner, or tutors. The learners are not permitted to seek any advice from friends or third party. Learners are not permitted to take help or proof readers and family members or others. Please be careful in this regard. Now next, what arrangements required at home for the open book examinations? A learner has to ensure following: a proper desk, a table, and comfortable chair, good lighting, internet systems in place, all needful resources like books and the reference material like notes and all, clock and a timer to monitor the timing, refreshment and the snacks to maintain your health and feel energetic. So that the 24 hours privilege to eat and take all the refreshment, there's no bar. You're at home, you can be at home as usual as you be at home. Now, how the malpractice will be observed? Now, as you know, like NABOSH is a very particular and very serious about the malpractices, and now here also during the open book examinations, there's a malpractice policy is been applicable. Okay, now how it is? So kindly note that NABOSH expect and trust integrity from each learners during the open book examination. However, failure to adhere will be considered as a breach of the malpractices, where offenses of plagiarism, collusion, impersonations, commissioning. What is the plagiarism? Plagiarism is the taking the work. That means the learners taking the work of another person or source and claiming that it belongs to him. It is your own. Copying paragraphs, sentences of other, including answer of others learners. Okay. Please note and aware that plagiarized open book examination submission will be subject to penalty and suspension till lifelong from the NABOSH. Be careful. Okay. What is a collusion? Collusion when two or more learners collaborate to produce identical or similar workbook. That means the two learners are sitting together writing each other book and having identical in the workbook. That will be considered scrutinized and the collusion under the malpractice. And please note and aware that again collusion open book examination submission will be subject to penalty and suspension till lifelong from the NABOSH. Similarly, we'll see what is the impersonations. Impersonations is when a learner takes the help of other instead of him to complete the work and claim that it own. That means you are a learner and you are making the work done by the some other person of your friend or anybody. That will be considered as a malpractice, and you can be suspended till lifelong from the NABOSH. Be careful on the malpractice part. The open book examination does not mean that you have a privilege of doing a malpractice anywhere. Be careful, be careful, be careful on this. Okay. Now next, how the NABOSH will deter the cheating. You may feel that how the NABOSH is going to be deter the cheating. Okay. So now this the process has been established. Now learners will sign up a learner statement. Remember, repeating once again, the learner will sign up a learner statement as a confirmation to understand the rules of plagiarism, collusion, malpractice. Okay. Open book examination will be marked by the NABOSH and the workbook will be scrutinized by the plagiarism and the collusion malpractice. Remember, in the open book examination also it is going to be marked by the NABOSH. So all the scrutiny will be done for the malpractices. Further, a closing interview will be taken after the completion of the open book examination by the learning partner. NABOSH made a system that after the closing of the open book examinations, your learning partner is going to take the closing interview, and on behalf of the learning partner is going to ensure and confirm to the NABOSH that learner has submitted the workbook by his own. Okay. So now we'll understand what does it mean by closing interview. How to prepare for the closing interview. The closing interview will be done via video link conducting by the interviewer. Learner has to show identification proof at the start of the interview like a passport copy, driving license, national identity card, etc. Date and time for the closing interview shall be intimated to the learners. Closing interview can be done on a smartphone, tablet, computer, laptop, etc. Interview shall be done in the private room. Remember here, interview shall be done in the private room without any other person with the learner. That means when the closing interview is been in the place, the learner should be alone and nobody should be with the learners. Okay. Now next, how will be the marking and the grading? So after the completion and the having the closing interview done, your paper already been submitted for the scrutiny and for the open book examination assessment. Now open book examination work will be marked by the NABOSH examiners after the malpractice scrutinized. Grading system shall be the remain same as it was earlier. So there is no changes in the grading system. And now next is how and where shall we register for the open book examination. For getting the registration done, learner has to contact the learning partner or the course provider, or they have a privilege to, they can write a mail, they can get the information from the NABOSH directly by writing to NABOSH on OBE. OBE means open book examinations @nabosh.org.uk, as well as they can write a mail to info@nabosh.org.uk. If you are looking for your detailed learning guide, you can ask to learning partner and we can mail it to you, or we can post it to you. So we wish you very good luck and happy for your open book examination. God bless you. Thank you very much. To know more about the open book examination and to get the complete guide, please contact us. Learning partner as a 3S LifeSafe Academy located in Bangalore, and NABOSH learning partner with the center number 1478.